red ones? Yeah.
I was telling him, man, I messed up, dude.
I'll make sure I know what's in it.
Hey everybody, I am back. I am back with a video today. I am at the Pokemon store, so I'm going to open up 4 Pokemon packs. 4 Pokemon packs. I got this right here,
Perfect order.
the perfect order. The perfect order.
Can't find it. I'm assuming that's gonna go.
The perfect order. And the perfect order.
Everybody does. I always look for everybody.
I'm going to open one by one. If I hit,
It's like, I need to know how many.
if I hit the
I got more than you're gonna
legendary
buy, nerd.
Pokemon,
How about that?
I will. I want you guys. I want to tell
They said they
you
were right there.
one of these cards for you guys to keep. One of these cards you guys will keep for me and my autograph. All one. As you guys do, let's get into opening these cards up. So, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos with your loved ones. Alright, here we go. The first card pack I'm going to open up is the perfect order.
Yeah. It's a tag, though. It don't count. These cards tag 10 sells for more than the PSA.
That's the only thing about a collector, like, they don't ever have information on the tag.
Okay, well, neato, guys. This is fun.
What are you guys doing with these? This old.
This was a fun experiment coming down here without
What's
my
that, John?
glasses.
What's that, like 1,200? I didn't even see where you're going.
Gasly.
Those are like 1,200.
I got Gasly. Umbreon.
Oh, yeah, grab one both.
Insolence.
Grab you a Gatorade or something to drink if you want to. I'll free
Thanks.
The versus. And the bird. Rose. The Trinity. The feelings.
I think for the low
The
price.
let's go. Old digger shovel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got Diglett, the mouse Pokemon. And I got the chain roll. And I have the buses energy ball.
70 to 80%. Whether it's cash or and it's doing
These two right here, I always got.
They've been selling a lot.
These two, what I got.
Like $79 to $100, $120
Let me see him. I got you, my guy.
because of like one freaking card.
How y'all doing today?
Good.
Hanging in there. Go down 4 doors, 944.
Check it out.
So it's not junkies on.
Hey, later, brother.
Yeah, see you, man.
Good luck, buddy.
Thanks.
Like 350. Those are older ones. Go ahead, I got you. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
Those are great. That's a good hit right there.
Yeah.
What is that? Yeah, kind of expensive.
But you're older.
No, we're in Bellefontaine, Ohio. Bellefontaine?
I got
You
Hunter.
buy Pokemon cards and sealed?
Hunter.
It's like, are you in Finley? No.
Snorlax.
Where are you at? That's what you should have asked them. These are like 120, these are 70.
Poland.
These are like 350.
Jolie, the trainer card. the wolf mite,
So how much for a
the
newer
tur- the
A
turkey,
newer box.
$69.99. That's just black.
Oh.
the cord, and more. I got a Lexus, the Lexus, the Lion. Plus a energy ball. And I got 2 more rare ones.
Ooh. Nice.
These are the first Pokemon Center, man. They're right here, 2,800.
You said you're gonna give some of these away to your followers?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Well, we're gonna sleeve them up.
These are like 4 something. These are like 30 something, 30 something. That's 1,000. That's like 2,500. That's from like 2014. We got boost packs that we market for like 75. We opened up one of the booster boxes for everybody. And 75 bucks for one single pack. We got it for 60.
I got Aircross, Stoyu, Aircross, Stoyu, Clinton.
The packs up there, Chaos Rising and Perfect Blue, those are $5.
The Flint Tripper,
35.
Triple,
Just depends on which one it is. They're all different prices.
Human, a Pokemon food,
Which one did you
and plus an energy ball. Plus I got 2 rare ones again.
Nice.
You have 35, Martin is like 38.
Ooh, you got another Dedenne. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
35.
Well, he has a book. The book, or buy book.
Like a binder?
Yeah.
They sell binders, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. How much are your binders? Like the smaller ones are what, 25? Binders, just for cards.
If you wait a couple days, we'll have a bunch of new colors and new sets coming in.
Yeah, they only have the yellow one left up there right now, that one.
Okay, that's fine. I will wait on that one.
I will. Yeah, just wait a few days.
Yeah, I'll wait a few days.
Heard about it.
Right. The fact that you have 2 out of 4 packs,
I
that's
know.
crazy, man.
I know.
That's some good luck right there. This one, you're gonna hit the chase. I believe in it.
I'll say this, everybody. This is the last pack magic. If you make this happen, you guys should hit me up to one halfway to 2 million subscribers on this channel. I'll keep on doing this here.
Oh, you gotta send them with insurance on it.
And I want to shout out to Face Love.
Thank you. You guys have a good one.
Look, he bought 4 packs.
The W?
Yeah, absolutely it is.
I got Gasly, Coaster Hammer,
You guys gonna start releasing these?
a Circuit, a Stanley Bird, the Trainer, the trainer card, Frozen's no training card. Store you.
Ooh, that Pokepad's good.
Pokepad. Ooh.
Ooh, look at that.
Can't be right. Look at this.
What?
What is your
Yeah.
looking? This ain't the card. When I type it in,
Yeti X. Yeti X, everybody. Pokemon. The energy ball. And I got one where it's called right here.
Instead of this same card, but it's
Let's
longer.
go.
This is the promo.
I told you guys, if I hit the,
Nice.
if I hit the where it's called, you guys need to subscribe to this channel. Let's get me to 2 million subscribers.
You want to show everybody your hits? You should show everybody what you hit.
I hit this right here. I hit this. I hit this. I hit this.
Is this one yours too right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me sleeve that for you real quick.
I hit this. Got the energy. I got the energy ball. And I got this. I got Lexley. Deluxio. That's Deluxio. I got Turbo.
How you guys doing today?
Not too bad, how are you?
Pretty good. What we hunting for?
And I got the
just look.
Yeti.
Take a look around,
EX.
see things, let me know.
Alright, thank you.
That's all I got. And that's what I got. Hopefully, if I hit more, maybe next week. Maybe next week I'll get back here. I will promise that if I get enough money, I will do the that one the what's the name of that one?
Which one? This one?
Yeah,
That's Fusion Strike.
the Fusion Strike.
Yeah.
If you guys give me 20 likes on this video, I will do those Dragon Strike cards.
You might want to go higher on your likes on that one. That's like a
That box.
$400 to $500 box.
Okay.
That was expensive. Tell them to get you 10 million.
Yeah, tell them you want 1 million likes on this video, my guy.
You guys give me 1 million likes on this video, I will do a opening
Fusion Strike.
on the Fusion Strike box.
Yeah.
So this is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy watching this. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Give me 5, bro.